video we will see how to adjust the Frigidaire freezer shelf, remove, reposition and the reinstallation. So firstly open the freezer door fully so you have enough space to move the shelf. Take out any food items from the shelf you want to adjust. This make it lighter and easier to move. After that, in step 3 you can hold the shelf firmly with both hands. Then you can slightly lift the front of the shelf up. The most Frigidaire shelf release when you lift them up. And in the step 5 you can pull the shelf straight out carefully. In the step 6 you can simply choose the new slot or height you want. Then slide the shelf back into the rail or brackets. Then push it all the way in until the tilt flat and secure. Then gently press down to make sure the shelf is locked in place. Put your food item back once everything feels stable. Goodbye.